Hi guys, in this video you will learn how to factory reset your Android phone. Factory resetting wipes or deletes all your data on your phone and restores it back to original factory settings, just like when you first bought it. People usually reset their phones because of forgotten passwords or pattern, or maybe because of virus problems or slow performance, or even storage issues, or even maybe they want to sell or give out their phone, or maybe it's because of too many apps or glitches. So this tutorial will show you how to reset your Android phone easily and safely. So just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And if this video is helpful to you, please do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment. Now let's get started. The first step you have to take is to go over to your settings. So you can see the settings icon right there, so you can tap on it, or you can simply scroll from the top of your phone. Let me show you guys the second method. Let me scroll from the top of my phone now, so you can also see the settings icon right there. So let me quickly tap on the settings right there. So you can either tap on these settings right here or the settings in your home screen. So now the next step now is to go ahead now to scroll down. You have to scroll down, you have to look for systems. So let me scroll down now. Let me keep scrolling. System should be around there. Where is it? Let me just keep scrolling. Okay guys, can see system right there. So let me go ahead now to tap on system. Let me tap on it right away. You can see it there. Then now the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see advanced. You can see it right there. You can see it, I can see advanced right there. So let me tap on advanced right away. Then under advanced, you can see where it is written reset options. You can see it right there. So you have to tap on reset options. So let me go ahead now to tap on reset options. Then under the reset options, you can see we have 4 options right here. The first one is to reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. The second one there is to reset app preferences. The third one there is to reset collaboration parameters, while the fourth one there is erase all data, in brackets factory reset, and that's the one we're going for, factory reset. So what you have to do now is to go ahead now to select it. So let me tap on it now to select it. That's the purpose of this video, how to factory reset. You can see it right there, factory reset, erase all data. So let me tap on it. Then here is the next step. It says erase all data, factory reset. So what you have to do is to read through all of this. It says this will erase all data from your phone's internal storage, including your Google account, system and apps data and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos and other user data. So guys can see these are the accounts. These are what are going to be deleted. These are what are going to be erased from your phone. So guys, now after you're done checking all of this, what you can simply do is to tap on where you can see erase all data. You can see it down there. So let me tap on erase all data. You can see it down there on the right hand side. So let me quickly tap on it so we can proceed with this video. Then the next step, it says here we should re-enter your password. They said enter your device password to continue. So this to confirm that you're actually the owner of the phone. So what I'll do now is to quickly type in my password so I can proceed with this video. So like I said, this is a security step. So let me type in my password. Let me type it real quick. Then let me tap on enter. That's my password. Let me quickly tap on enter. Then here is the next step. It says erase all data, all your personal information and downloaded apps will be deleted. You can't undo this action, so take note of that. Let me tap on erase all data down there. You can see it right there. So let me tap on erase all data. Let me tap on it again. My screen is not responding. Okay guys, you can see now it has responded and my phone is now rebooting. You can see it's reloading. Is factory resetting it. You can see the factory reset process has begun. So what I have to do is just to wait for a few seconds depending on the type or brand of phone that you're using. So I will just wait for a few seconds. It's factory resetting. So as this is going on, my apps, my informations, my Google account, WhatsApp account and every other thing is going to be deleted. So let's just wait. Okay guys, you can see here is the next step. It says select language. So what you have to do is to select the language that you understand. So I'm going to leave it at my language. You can see there are various languages right here. So you can see Portuguese, we have Romania, we have Slovenia, what is it called? Sorry, I can't pronounce that very well, but I'm going to leave it at English because that's the one I understand. So let me tap on next. Let me tap on next. Then here's the next step. It says select country/region. So what you have to do is to scroll through, look for your country. You can see the countries are arranged alphabetically. So let me select my country real quick. Let me just tap on it to select it. So after you select your country, you can see I selected my country. So let me tap on next. Then you tap on next after you select your country. Then here is the next step. It says insert SIM card. So if you want to use your SIM card, you can go ahead now to insert it, especially if you want to use your mobile data, your mobile network data for the connection. So but I'm going to skip this. I don't want to use my SIM card. I have a Wi-Fi that I can connect to. I have a network that I can connect to. Then here's the next step. It says connect to Wi-Fi. So guys, this is what I said. So if you want to use your mobile data from your SIM card, make sure you insert your SIM card at that point. But I'm going to connect now to my Wi-Fi. So I think I've seen my other phone, so you can see it right there. That's my other phone. So let me connect now to the Wi-Fi by tapping on it to select it. You can see it right there. But if you have other networks, you can go ahead to connect to it. The reason why we're actually connecting to a Wi-Fi or a network is because we might be asked to retrieve some of our data, like our apps. We'll be asked to install the apps that we had in our former phone, so things like that. So you're going to need a data to do that. So let me go ahead now to connect to my Wi-Fi. You can see guys, it's connecting. So guys, now you can see I've connected to my Wi-Fi. Then here's the next step. It says operating instructions. So what you have to do, these are instructions on how you're going to use the phone. Now it has been factory reset. It says the press and hold the power button for 8 seconds to restart the phone. Then it says down there the inbuilt battery is not removable. So guys, let me go ahead now to tap on next. I've read the instructions, so let me tap on next quickly. Then right here is the next step. It says terms of use. So what I have to do now is to tick that box right there on the left hand side to agree to the terms of use and privacy policy. So let me tick the box right away. Then let me go ahead now to tap on next. You can see next right there at the bottom. So let me tap on it. You can see guys, it's loading. It says getting your phone ready. This may take a few minutes. So guys, let's do a few seconds. It's loading. It's still loading. Then here's the next step. It says Google services. So what I have to do now is to read through all of this. Then after I'm done reading through all of this, then I have to accept it. You can see where it is written accept down there. So let me tap on accept. So once I tap on accept and agreeing to the terms of services of Google, so let me tap on accept down there. Then here's the next step. It says set screen lock. So I have to choose the method. You can see we have fingerprint, face lock, and password. So what you have to do is to choose whichever one that you want. But I'm going to skip this step. So let me tap on skip down there. Let me tap on skip. Well, guys can see now it is now loading. You can see what's written there. It says welcome. The operating system is loading right now. The Android operating system is loading. So I'll just wait. You can see now it's making progress. Then here it says launcher is setting up your desktop. So let's just wait now. Wow guys, you can see now this is the home screen of my mobile device. You can see this is the home screen. So guys, now you can see I've been able now to factory reset my mobile device. If you can see now, my phone is now working fast and smoothly. If I'm to check the storage, it's going to be free, and that's one of the reasons why I actually factory reset my mobile device. So guys, this is simply how you can be able to factory reset your mobile device, especially for Android device. So guys, I have to end this video, and I believe this video has been helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment. See you in the next upload. Bye. Peace.